Hey guys, my name is Sheldon. I got some new tools for you. I got the Leatherman Freestyle, the Leatherman Monarch 300 flashlight, and the sheath that holds both of them. So the Monarch, very lightweight, very EDC friendly. It's a very simple tool. It's only got a one-hand opening, partially serrated blade with a liner lock. And pliers, famous Leatherman pliers with the needle nose pliers, your regular pliers, and your regular and hard wire cutters, and then no other tools inside. So blade came razor sharp, and I'm just going to demonstrate to you with the playing card how sharp it is. Let me get one. So, playing card. That was in one stroke, all the way down there. And then another one to finish it off. So, razor sharp. Cut a tomato with it for my dinner. Cut great, just like a regular chef's knife. I was making a sandwich, so I cut my bun with it, no problem. Cut my tomato, no problem. And then once I was done with the sandwich, I cut it in half with this, no problem. I just rinsed it off and wiped it with a towel, no residue or anything. When I got it, the blade was kind of stiff coming out, and the liner lock was stiff, and especially the pliers were really stiff. It was like this, but I've been using them for like, I don't know, 8 hours now, and they've loosened right up. So, very, very comfortable handles for the pliers, and just for using the knife. And that was the problem with my Leatherman Juice KF4 that I used to have, or that I used before I got this. The plier handles were uncomfortable. They got on your hands were sore in a few minutes, and when you were using a blade, all the stuff on the outside dug into your hands and made them really sore. And it didn't have a pocket clip, which this guy does, the Freestyle does. It's removable, but they don't tell you how to remove it in the instructions, though. Yeah, so I'll move on. This is the Monarch 300 flashlight from Leatherman. It's got a removable pocket clip, as well as a detachable keyring. I'll demonstrate it just by putting it through the pocket clip of the Freestyle. So, imagine the Freestyle is my keys, and I gotta look at something. You don't want to be looking like this with the keys dangling down. So what you do is you just pull them apart, and I swear it's easier than it looks. So right there you got your little claw, and then free to use it. Make sure it's tight. So you look around, everything's fine. Take your little claw, and there's a groove near the top, and you just put it in like so, and now it's not going anywhere. It's only coming off if you want it to come off. So that's a handy feature. It's got a little button on the back to activate the light, and it came with a sheath that can hold both of them. So right here you put the Freestyle, here you put the Monarch. I'll put them both in. I don't really plan on using this, but when I got it, this sheath was pretty stiff, but after 5 takes of demonstrating this for you, the viewer, it's loosened up significantly. So it's nylon, it's got a little Velcro that comes down, covers the Freestyle. It's got a belt loop here. Goes vertical, not horizontal, so you can only wear it like this. You can't wear it on your belt like this. It's a nice sheath. It's kind of hard to get these things out, but I'm sure they'll become easier with time and wear. So I got this at my Costco, my local Costco. They don't sell it online for some reason. This all came together. So for the Freestyle, the Monarch, and the sheath was $30, and that is a great deal. You can't even touch this new online anywhere for under $35. And then with the Monarch and the sheath, like, this is gotta be at least 10 or 15 bucks, and then the sheath's another 5 or 10, so that's a steal. If you look right here on the liner lock, you see that little shiny spot right there? That's actually a little bump on the liner lock, and what that does is it kind of clicks when the blade's closed. It kind of clicks into that last hole in the blade, so it's not going to fall open in your pocket. It's actually got, have force behind it, but not that much. It's still easy peasy to use. And if you want to put like a lanyard or anything through it, you can see right here there's a hole that's not obstructed by anything, so you can just throw a line through there, carry it on your backpack or something. So came razor sharp, very nice knife, lifesaver from Juice Can 4, and that was a really great buy. So see you later, guys. Oh, forgot to test out the Monarch for you. I'm just going to shine it on my wall, show you how bright it is. It says it's 16 lumens. I have no idea what that means. Pretty bright, even from far away. So, see you later.